So now let's begin with our next experiment, which is controlling the relay. So the objective is to turn on and off the relay for every 3 seconds continuously. So let's begin with the procedure. Click on Raspberry Pi icon, go to programming and go to Tony. The Tony editor will be opened. So click on new file. Here you need to write down the code. So this is the basic code to turn on and off the relay. Once you wrote down the code, click on Ctrl S to save the code. Here you need to give the name as per your convenience, but give the extension as .py because as it is a Python code, you need to give the extension as .py. Click on OK. The code will be saved to the name which you have given. So after you saved down the code, go to the hardware connection. So let's begin with the hardware connections. First we will see the relay module which we are using. This is called as a single channel relay module which is operated at 3.3 voltage. Here we have 3 pins, VCC, ground and the data pin. The other side we have the connections for the load in which we have normally open, common and normally closed pins. Here we connect the load. So let's begin the connections. The VCC of relay module is connected to 3.3 voltage of Raspberry Pi. Next, ground terminal of relay module is connected to ground terminal of Raspberry Pi. Next, the data pin of Raspberry Pi, the relay module is connected to GPIO 17 of Raspberry Pi. Once you are done with the hardware connection, we will run the code. Make sure to stop if there is any previously code running. Once you stop the code, click on run. You can check that the relay is switching for every 3 seconds. Now the relay is off for 3 seconds. Next the relay will be turned on for 3 seconds. This will be continuously running until and unless we stop the code.